Hey, what's up, dudes? I am back for another video, but this video is just more of me just kind of talking here for a minute because I wanted to let you guys know what my thoughts and processes are going through with making videos here on YouTube. Are you kidding? That one little hair, dude, fix it. Fix the hair. Fix it. One, I want to keep making tutorial videos. I'm all for it. It's a good time, and I think it provides people with the sense of understanding of streaming and OBS and features that go into that to help them be a better broadcaster, potentially. I don't know, man. But also, I want to keep making videos for reviewing products. I'm also here to try to think of ideas that maybe I could do for these videos, because I know there are a lot of people out there who are the advanced users as well as the really beginner users, the people who may not even know how to set up their own Twitch accounts. So I'm trying to think of like the videos I want to do are to cater to everybody. So I want to make a couple different like class types in terms of my YouTube content and have it be like beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So coming up soon, I definitely want to stick to breaking apart the streaming 101 series that I've been making ever since 2018, late 2018 in this channel, and start pushing towards more different classes of tutorials and whatnot. And, you know, maybe if I ever come up with some neat tricks, maybe I have like a tricks videos, and maybe I don't know, man. I'm going to figure this all out in the near future, but I just want to let you know, I'm thinking of more ideas, as well as I'm working with another company in terms of overlays and some other stuff that can be utilized in your streams, but I'm going to be featured on their channel, providing you with information about stuff. That's all I can say for now, but I'll let you know more soon. Appreciate you guys watching these videos. I'll be back though. I'm still making videos on the side here. I already have some ideas in my brain on like what videos I want to make. I just haven't really been doing it. My last video I was about to put out there seemed a little too, it's kind of like when you're caught up in the moment and you're a little bit heated. It was a whole video I was going to do on talking about Elgato's ring light and getting into the alternatives and whatnot, and maybe I'll do that at some point, but I feel like I was too heated when I made that video, so I was getting a little too much for this channel. So anyways, I'll let you guys know when the next video goes live, but follow me on Twitter and Instagram and all that stuff to know all the little details of when I'm streaming and all that stuff. So if you guys ever have any questions, leave me a message down below, comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz, man. This channel's slowly growing, and it's because of you guys, so thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and if there's ever something you want to see, hit me up, dude. Let me know. People message me on Twitter, people message me on Instagram, people message me here, and I try to respond to every little detail, every little comment that is brought to me on this channel, I try to respond to. So, you know, even if you say hi, I'll say hi back. All right? Anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Nice, simple video. I just want to get you guys updated with what's happening on my end. You guys are great. Stay beautiful. You are beautiful. I'll catch you next time, all right? Bye.